All right, guys, we've got the Ywauou Wi-Fi extender. This is a long-range 1200 Mbps internet booster, and it works on it works for 5 gigahertz as well as 2.4 gigahertz. I think I have both of those on my Wi-Fi router here. We use T-Mobile, but the reason I'm trying this out is my bedroom where I do all my recording and everything is actually the farthest room away from the wireless internet router, which makes my signal weak a lot of the times. So what we're going to do is I'm going to set this up with you, and we're going to see if this strengthens the signal in my room. Sometimes I actually lose the signal. So right now, I'll show you before we try it. Right now, I only have 2 out of 3 bars for the wireless signal in my room. We'll see if it's able to get full bars after I install this. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so the first thing I want to show you is if you look right there, you can see I only have 2 out of 3 wireless signal bars. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this device and see if I can get that up to full strength. Let's see. All right, guys, so we're going to see if we can get this thing working now. So I'm going to plug it into the wall, and we've got the instruction manual here in front of us. First of all, I think we just have to let that load up. Let's see. So what we're doing is you can actually plug an Ethernet cable in from your router, but what we're doing is we're using this wireless router halfway in between the router for the home and my room. So we're going to see if we can improve the signal in my room. So we're letting that set up right now. And what we should be able to do is, let's see. All right. So on our phone here, we're going to click on Wi-Fi Pro 7016D2. That is the one we're looking for. And I'm going to go with the 5G. And this should run us through what we need to do. Something. All right, here we go. So this is just running us through it. So we're using wireless extend. I'm going to have to go off camera for a second, I think, to put in the password. All right, so what we do here is we're going to want to select our Wi-Fi signal, which for us, it's T-Mobile 395F. And then I'm going to need to put the password in, so I'm going to go off screen for a second. And hopefully I'm doing this right so we don't have to run through it again. All right, so now the router, as you can see, the router is actually restarting. So this is super easy to do. The only password it asks for is the password for your router. And what it's actually going to do now is it's going to make the router, the wireless router for your home, and this router actually part of the same network. And it's going to extend this wireless signal to my room. And all that you have to do, I believe, is you stay on your wireless signal. So it essentially creates like you have 2 routers in your home now. You have your regular router and this one. So it's the same wireless signal. That's the reason I like this device. It's the same wireless signal. Now we're going to, okay, now I have to type it in here. And what you're going to type in here is just the password for your wireless router. That becomes the password for the wireless extended router. So what you're going to actually do is you're going to end up on the signal, your router plus EXT. That's what it's going to be. Now let's go back. We've got the 3 lights on, means it's up and running. Now let's go back to my room and see if that signal's any better. All right, guys. So we're back at my desk, and now I'm going to type in. You guys can't see it, so we're good. Type in the password, and then join the extended router, and let's see if this improves. Full bars. Full bars now, guys. So we can confirm that this does extend the signal and it makes it stronger in my bedroom, which happens to be the farthest one from the house. I highly recommend this router. As you can see, it's super easy to install. And at the end of the day, it does exactly what it says it does.